You've heard of plug and play, meaning you just plug it in, it does the rest for you. Majority of the people selling robots, that is the message that they preach. You don't need any basic knowledge or any basic information about trading for you to use a trading robot. You don't even need to know how to trade to use a trading robot. But is that accurate information? Majority of the time, it's not. I have 5 things that you need to know before you can use a trading robot. So if you do not know these 5 things, then I believe you will not be profitable with a trading robot. So watch this video to the end to understand all the 5 basic things you need to understand about trading robots and how you can capitalize to the fullest so you can become a profitable trader when you're using a trading robot.
Before we get into the 5 things you need to understand if you can use a trading robot or not. If you don't know these 5 things, then you have no business using a trading robot. I just want to ask you one thing, right? As a price action trader, or you've never used a trading robot before or whatever, but as a price action trader, look at this beautiful trade that we're currently in, right? If you go on the 4-hour time frame, let's just do that. Look at this beautiful trade, man. Yeah, okay, 1 hour. Let's go 1 hour time frame. If let's assume you were using your price action or whatever that you guys use to trade, do you think would you have taken a sell as well here? Would you have executed a sell trade here? If yes, put down in the comment section what your reasons would have been. So this trade was placed by the Golden Nugget trading robot. Okay, London session, by the way. The indicator that you use on the phone as well, there is a signal that it gave, a sell signal, but this sell signal was given way before, during the Asian session, and it gives me so much joy to see the things that I've created do such things, because I know it's not easy. Trust me, a lot of people have tried to create trading robots. A lot of people have tried. I'm sure you're one of them. If you're watching this video, you're one of them that have tried to create a trading robot, and majority of the time it's just in losses. It takes a lot to create these things, and I've made it a sole mission to make sure that you guys understand how to use a trading robot to its full potential, because if your schedule is busy, definitely you won't have time to analyze. But if you have a tool that analyzes for you and executes trades for you, then you're good, man. You're good. Trading, most of these guys try to complicate trading, but it's not complicated. Not complicated. So 5 things you need to understand before trading with a trading robot. Number 1, you have to understand how to use MT5. MT5 is a platform that we use to execute trades on, right? So MT5 is a platform we use to execute trades on. There's an MT5 for the phone and MT5 for the PC. These are 2 different applications altogether. You need to understand the one for the PC because majority of the trading robots, that's where they go. I've had people that have gotten a robot. They've lied to me. No, I know how to trade, yada yada yada. Next thing, they ask me, how do you install MT5? How do you turn on the robot? Where is this? Where is that? So for you, if you don't know how to use MT5, you have no business trading with a trading robot, because you need to understand MT5, how it works, where is what, where to put, where to change the candlestick colors, where to change pairs, all those things you need to understand. Okay, if you do, what's the next thing you need to understand? Lot sizing, risk management, all this falls under one thing. So you have to understand lot sizing, because lot sizing determines whether your account survives or your account dies in the long run. Okay, most people know how to trade, but because of using wrong lot sizing, you find that most of the trades end up in losing. That's why you have statements like, the direction was correct, but it took me out first, then that's when the market moved in my favor. So every lot size that you use is supposed to sustain what we call drawdown. Okay, drawdown, how much negative can your account sustain before going into positive? So that falls under lot size and risk management. If you don't understand these things, then you have no business trading. Trading sessions. You need to understand trading sessions, because if you're gonna trade commodities like gold, US oil, or Nasdaq, like indices, or you're gonna trade currencies, you have to know when they move. You have no business being in the market when those pairs are just stagnant, are not moving. So it is very important that you understand those things. Wait, let me record this. I need to screen record as well on the phone, because this trade, you guys don't understand. You guys don't understand. Okay. So, what's number 3? We're talking about lot sizing and whatnot. Number 4, you have to understand that this is a risky business. Yes, I know you came in here to say you're gonna make a lot of money, but money comes gradually. That's why our motto is a pip a day keeps poverty away. We're not trying to flip accounts. We're not trying to do what we're doing right now. It's not an everyday thing. You cannot always turn a $93 to $2,000 just like that. It's not gonna happen every day. It's a once in a lifetime kind of thing. When you have the knowledge that reaches that far, when you have the right knowledge, trust me, this is gonna be a possibility. Okay, such things are gonna be a possibility for you as well, as long as you understand these things. The 5th one basically is just sticking to a specific pair. If you don't know the details of a pair, how it moves, when it moves, why it moves, you have no business trading it. You cannot trade a pair just because you saw somebody trading it, then you're like, oh, okay, let me also trade it, let me also jump in. That's not how this works. Okay, so bear that in mind. Take care of your mindset, man. This is everything when it comes to trading. There's gonna be days where you lose money. There's gonna be days where things just don't work out, and it's part of trading. You can't win every day. You won't win every day, and that's sad. Okay, whatever strategies that you use, it is pointless for you to jump from one strategy to the next. Every month you're changing strategies. Every month you're trying to get a new robot. No. Follow the rules and you will see the difference. I just dropped a full course on trading with the golden nugget and how you can navigate that. Watch that. The basic things that you need to understand. I'm gonna drop the link in the description somewhere to that video. I'm gonna pin it as one of the next things you can watch. But bear that in mind, man. Always remember, when we say a pip a day keeps poverty away, we mean gradual. Your progress is gonna be gradual. It is how many times have you funded and tried to flip the account and it is not working? Don't you think it's time to try something else? You have tried to flip, it doesn't work. You can flip today, but tomorrow you can't. So now you end up losing to expect one win. But the thing is supposed to be gradual. Every day you're making progress. Every day you're making progress. Every day you're making progress. Okay, so just keep at it. Stay safe. And as we always say, man, a pip a day keeps poverty away. Peace.